Welcome home.
Hi, we're back at Disney World. And for the very first time, we are going to stay at Disney's Riviera Resort.
It is the newest DVC resort here at Disney World.
Also one of the most expensive kind of points per night resorts. But like I said, it's brand new.
Correct.
And it's designed to kind of harken to
the Riviera, the Italian Riviera, and the French Riviera.
And at first glance, it's an absolutely beautiful resort.
Of course.
Yeah. So they've got different room categories, a different room category, and we're going to stay in that this time. Called the Tower Studio, which we'll take you out and show you that. But first, let's go in, check out the lobby, maybe grab a cup of coffee or something like that.
Sounds good to me. Let's go.
This time we're staying in a brand new DVC room category. This one's called the Tower Studio here at Disney's Riviera Resort.
Bonjour. Welcome.
Hopefully you can see us.
We are up on top of the 10th floor at the Riviera Resort on the terrace outside of Topolino's.
Yeah, Topolino's is the Riviera Resort signature restaurant.
Correct, which we have dinner reservations for tonight.
Hopefully in about 5 minutes. We've checked in online, and we're just waiting to find out if when our table's ready.
And enjoying the magnificent view while waiting.
View is absolutely epic. The view rivals California Grill view. We'll see how the food does, because the food there is amazeballs. I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this one, but the view up here is great.
Especially at sunset, it was gorgeous. And they have like Riviera themed music piping in on the terrace, so it just kind of puts you in the mood. And it's the smells every time somebody opens the door is just amazing.
Oh yeah, this is a beautiful resort.
This
really rivals all the DVC resorts as far as theming and views.
Yep. So we're getting ready to go eat.
Yep. So let's check that out.
First night, I guess, at Disney this time around.
Yeah, Riviera. We really kind of want to focus on Topolino's because we talked about before going there, but not after.
Amazing. Mm-hmm. I did have, I'll be honest, I had a little bit of a reservation about going there.
Right.
With the type of food, if I was gonna find anything that I liked, because right now they have a limited menu.
Sure. I want to say it's hard not to compare Topolino's to like California Grill.
Yeah, because it's on the 10th floor of the Riviera, and they have
the views are absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
So so I wouldn't really compare the two restaurants because one's been around for 50 years and the other one's been around for a year and a half.
Right.
But I would definitely 100% recommend Topolino's Terrace.
Oh, yes.
This like the music outside and sitting around outside.
The ambiance. Yeah. And before we went to dinner, we actually stopped by Bar Riva.
Yeah.
And had a couple drinks.
And then after dinner too.
And we met the cutest waiter, Ricardo. He's the sweetest.
You're a sweetheart. Yeah. So, 100% recommend Topolino's Terrace for dinner.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall, I think it was a good experience, and I can't wait to go back.
So, our first 4.5 hours at Riviera have been awesome.
Magical.
Yeah. So, come here. We'll report more tomorrow, like comfiness of the bed.
Yeah.
And breakfast, we're going to go...
Primo Piatto.
We'll talk about all that in the morning. So,
good night.
Good night.
Good morning. So, we slept pretty good. Not the greatest, but it's your first night in Disney. I think sometimes excitement can take over a little bit there. Melissa's still sleeping. That's why I'm out in the hallway. And I wanted some coffee. There's a little place called Le Petit Cafe right off the lobby. So I'm gonna run down and get us some coffee and let the ginger sleep for a few minutes. The redhead's not ready to face the world yet. So I'm out here on our little patio and sipping my latte. But I've got some, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, so all of you French pronunciation people, go ahead and correct me in the comments below. Madeleines. Anyway, they came in this cute little box, and they're these delicate little lemon kind of seashell shaped cookies. See? Those are delightful. So I'm going to sit out here. Actually, we do have a nice view of the Skyliner. The Skyliner station's right next to us, and so there's kind of a nice morning view of the Skyliners going off into the trees. So I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy my Madeleines and sip my coffee and watch the Skyliner.
Okay, so look who finally got up and around.
Good morning.
So we did breakfast at Primo Piatto.
Yes, it's the Riviera's quick service. We had, and you'll see in the pictures, the lemon blueberry pancakes is what Sean had.
Yep.
And I had the croque madame.
Which is basically ham and Swiss with an egg on top.
Yeah.
And they really are pushing mobile order.
Yes.
As you saw, we did the mobile order. Before we left the room, we said we're here, prepare our order, and about the time we walked down here and walked in,
it was ready.
It was ready, so it's about perfect timing.
As far as the food,
it's quick service food.
It's quick service food.
I'd try it again. I give it a 7 out of 10 as far as quick service restaurants go.
I could agree with that. I could agree with that. Good morning.
Good morning. So it's time to check out of Disney's newest DVC resort, the Riviera Resort.
Yep.
What are your overall thoughts?
You know, it's a nice room, especially if it's just like a couple like we are that's staying for a couple nights, because it's small, but it gets the job done.
Right. It's definitely a two-person, and it's a 2-night room, honestly. I wouldn't...
For me, yeah.
I don't think I could stay here a whole week.
The bed wasn't the most comfortable for me. I did not get a very good night's sleep either night.
It's a Murphy bed, but it's probably the most comfortable Murphy bed you'll ever sleep in, but it just wasn't the greatest compared to other resort beds. Overall, the resort itself is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, the theming of this resort is awesome. I guess if we're going to talk about kind of another plus/minus is the gift shop. It's a little bit small.
It is.
So all of those DVC things you're looking for, I mean like food items and stuff like that.
They do have a selection.
Yeah, but it's not as big as, say, the one over at OP West.
Correct.
And it's not as big as the one over at Jumbo House and stuff like that. It's kind of a smaller selection of that type of stuff, food, bev, those things that you would use in your room. But where they nail it is their Riviera Resort branded merchandise.
Yes.
They got a lot of cool stuff.
They do.
Yeah. So I think that's awesome. So overall, I would say thumbs up. Definitely, I would love to check out a 1-bedroom here sometime.
And we probably will at some point.
Yeah, a 1-bedroom or even a dedicated regular studio, because this is a tower studio, so it's the smallest. And the Skyliner is very, very handy for getting places.
It is.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Cool. So thanks a lot for watching.
Until next time.